Hey everyone, I'm Betz White, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to embroider the backstitch. The backstitch is used for outlines, lettering, and other details in embroidery. It's a pretty versatile stitch. We're going to start with a needle threaded with embroidery floss, about 18 inches long, and I've drawn a line on a piece of felt here with a disappearing ink marker. So we're going to start by bringing our needle up from the back and pull it through. And then our first stitch, we're going to do these a little bit big so you can see what I'm doing here. It's going to be about 1/4 inch, and I'm going to go back to the right of where I started and then come up to the left. So you can see that the floss is coming up halfway between those 2 points. Okay, so there's my first stitch. And then I'm going to go back with my needle, back down in where the other stitch ends, and then come up on the other side. So you can kind of check there and see if your stitches are equal. So we're just going to continue like that, stitching from right to left. Go down at that stitch and come up the next hole there and keep going. Now I'm not using an embroidery hoop here because when I stitch on felt, it has enough stability that the fabric will stay flat and not pucker. So we'll do a couple more here. So you can also do these much tinier. We'll start a smaller stitch here. Sort of do that about 1/8 of an inch. And as you get the hang of this, your stitches will get more precise and more even. Okay, there you go. That is how you do the backstitch.